So today I'm going to talk a bit about self-healing dependencies. It's one of the single engineer groups I'm proposing at GitLab. And the goal is, if there's another heartbleed, make sure that GitLab fixes it. Software, every company has become a software company. They're all kind of building software specific to the organization, but that's built on like a tower of supporting software. There's the operating systems, there's the libraries, the programming languages you use, the libraries of the programming language. GitLab itself, just in the gem file, has over 1,000 non-unique entries. So you're always standing on a giant library, a giant amount of dependencies. Now, software security is getting more important. And for that, we are finding kind of more security vulnerabilities in dependencies. And when those are found and announced, the time to respond is getting shorter. The bad people are faster and faster in trying to exploit them. So as a company, you want to be more and more quickly in remediating them. Now, suppose there's a problem in an operating system library like Heartbleed. Now you have to rebuild all your containers to fix that and then roll that out. Today, with any software you use, that is like a giant undertaking. It will take like stop everything, have all your software engineers drop everything and go do that. Companies took weeks before all the Heartbleed stuff was fixed. That time is getting shorter and shorter because it will be faster and faster before the bad actors will compromise you. So it should be that in GitLab, when a vulnerability is announced, GitLab not only knows like which containers are affected, which projects are affected, it would also suggest a fix via merge request to fix the Docker container. It would merge that automatically. It would roll that out. It would monitor how that's doing. If it affects something, and it can be like CPU load, it can be even secondary metrics you're tracking, like revenue or something like that, it would roll it back and open an issue for you to look at. So if some vulnerability is found overnight, you come into the office, and instead of like having 100 projects to fix, you have that one project that got rolled back to look at. That is what we mean with self-healing dependencies. It's an end-to-end thing, and it needs everything in GitLab. There's kind of our dependency management, our secure modules, our merge requests, our CI, our release management, our monitoring, our kind of incident management, all the way up to creating issues. Because as a company, I want that stuff to go fast, and it shouldn't take a whole lot of human handholding. Any questions?
That makes sense. Yeah, the